Say goodbye to electricity bills with Hardoll Solar Lights. Discover our street lights, flood lights, pillar lights, solar garden and decoration lights, and road studs. Eco-friendly, solar-powered, built for easy installation and long-lasting durability. Our lights feature automatic on and off functionality, so you never have to turn them on or off manually. Built for the outdoors, they are waterproof and durable in any weather condition. Need to relocate them? No worries. Our lights are designed for easy and hassle-free movement. Get up to 3 years of warranty with minimal maintenance, and the assurance that our excellent after-sale service is always here to support you. Now get up to 50% off on MRP with a 100% refund guarantee if you are not satisfied. Brighten your world, save energy, and make the perfect switch to Hardoll Solar Lights today. Visit our website www.hardollenterprises.com.